Okay, so before we all went on distance learning, you guys all got those 2 books about butterflies. They're like little half books. Well, I have them here on my computer in color, so I figured I would go ahead and read these to you. This first book is just a little bit more information about butterflies. It's not necessarily about their life cycle, but it is about their different body types and like what each part of their body is labeled as. So we're going to read a little bit about butterflies. As I read, I would like you to read along. When I'm finished reading, I would love to see the beautiful coloring you guys did in your book. Okay, butterflies, written by Janice Johnson. Butterflies are insects. They go from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to a butterfly. I wonder if we've labeled these different parts of the life cycle with different words. Like all insects, butterflies have 3 body parts. The 3 body parts are the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. They have 6 legs. Butterflies have 4 wings. They can fly. Many butterflies have brightly colored wings. Most butterflies are herbivores. Thinking about what you know about butterflies and this picture, what do you think an herbivore is? A meat eater, a plant eater, or both? Most butterflies drink nectar from flowers. They use their long tongue to drink the nectar. There are about 20,000 different species of butterflies. Most butterflies are found in tropical rainforests. Butterflies can live from 2 days to 1 year. I love butterflies. Awesome.